Whatever you're going through, this is my advice. Let this be your prayer. Lapit lang kay Lord. Whatever you're going through, lapit lang kay Lord. Just come closer to God and kapit lang kay Lord. Just hold on to God. Whoever you are right now, please whisper your name and let the Lord tell you, kapit lang. Jerry, kapit ka lang. And kapit lang. Hold on. It's the shortest advice for all of us. And this is something we should continue, mga kapatid, as you go through life. Lapit lang kay Lord. Huwag kang lalayo. Don't stay away from the Lord too long, too far. No, just keep coming to the Lord. Hoy, lumapit ka. Lapit lang kay Lord. At kapit lang kay Lord. Hold on to God no matter what. You're suffering, you're sinful, whatever. Kapit lang kay Lord. May iba kasi sa atin, layo lang kay Lord. Kapit lang sa pera. Kapit lang sa bisyo. Wrong. Let's simplify it. Our journey is simply that. Come closer to God and hold on to God. Please advise now the person beside you. Lapit lang kay Lord. Ha? Lapit lang kay Lord.